See third problem. X cube by 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square. Solution: x cube by 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square. Here x cube numerator and this is also x cube, so equal. So here x cube coefficient by numerator by x cube coefficient. So here numerator x cube coefficient is 1 and here 2 plus a by 2x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 plus c by x minus 1 whole square. Okay, now this is equal to x cube by 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square is equal to, here multiply this with this. So here first to this 1 by 2 write as this, plus add this 3, LCM is 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square. Here a of 2x minus 1 x minus 1 whole square plus b of x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 plus c of 2x minus 1 multiply with of 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square. Okay, this denominator get cancelled, so that is equal to x cube is equal to, here 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square plus here 2, so this is not 2, x minus 1 whole square plus b of x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 plus c of 2x minus 1 and multiply by 2 both sides. So that is equal to 2x cube is equal to, here this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, so 2x minus 1 x minus 1 whole square plus here 2 of 2a of x minus 1 whole square plus b 2b of x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 plus 2c of 2x minus 1 and put it as equation number 1. Okay, now put x is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. So here 2 of 1 by 2 whole cube is equal to 2 of 1 by 2 minus 1 into 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square plus 2a of 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 2 of 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 2c of 2 of 1 by 2 minus 1. Here it is equal to 2 of 1 by 8 is equal to, this 2 get cancelled, 1 minus 1 0, 0 into something 0, and 2a of here by 2, here 1 minus 2 whole square plus, sorry, this is 2b, and this 2b becomes 0 and c also 0, 0 plus 0, 2 1s are 2 4s are, and 1 by 4 is equal to 2a of 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square. So here 1 by 4 is equal to 2a of, here 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4, this 4 get cancelled, so a is equal to 1 by 2. A value is obtained. And now put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. 2 of 1 whole cube is equal to 2 of 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 whole square plus 2a of 1 minus 1 whole square plus 2b of 1 minus 1 plus 2c of 2 of 1 minus 1. So here 1 cube is 1, so 2 into 1 2 is equal to, here 1 minus 1 0, this becomes 0 plus this become also 0 plus this become also 0 plus 2c of 2 minus 1, 2 is equal to 2c of 1, so 2 is equal to 2c, c is equal to 2 by 2, 2 1 is 1, so c is equal to 1. Now to find b value, extend the equation 1, so extend to x cube is equal to 2x into, sorry, 2x minus 1, here x minus 1 whole square, x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 2a of x square plus 1 minus 2x plus sorry, here I forgot 2x minus 1 into here plus 2b of x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 plus c of 2x minus 1, and extend some more. 2x cube is equal to 2x into x square, 2x cube plus 2 into 1 2x minus 1 into minus x square minus 1 into minus 1 minus minus plus 2 1 into 2 2x. Okay. Plus 2a into x square 2a x square plus 2a into a 2a 2 into 2 minus 4a x plus 2b of x into 2 x square, okay, x into minus 1 minus x minus 1 into minus 2x minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus c of 2x plus 1. And now put x is equal to 0 in this. Okay, 2 half 0 cube is equal to half 0 cube plus 2 half 0 minus 0 whole square minus 1 plus 2 half 0 plus 2a half 0 whole square plus 2a minus 4a half 0 plus 2b of 2 half 0 whole square minus okay 0 minus 2 minus 2 half 0 plus 1 plus c half 2 half 0 plus 1. So here 0 is equal to, this becomes 0 plus 2a, okay, plus 2b, okay, here 2b into 1 2b, this x becomes 0 and c. 0 is equal to 2a plus 2b plus c. Here 0 is equal to 2a already obtained, so 1 by 2 plus 2b plus c is equal to also obtained 1. This get cancelled, okay. So 1 0 is equal to 2 plus 2b and 2b is equal to minus 2, b is equal to minus 2 by 2, b is equal to minus 1, okay. Therefore x cube by 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 by 2 plus a how much 1 by 2 half 2x minus 1, okay, plus b how much minus 1 half x minus 1, c plus c half 1 by x minus 1 whole square.